Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. In a groundbreaking leap for surveillance technology, China has unveiled a 0.6 cm mosquito-inspired drone designed for covert operations. This miniature marvel blends cutting-edge engineering with nature's stealth tactics, allowing it to navigate unseen in urban environments. Imagine a drone so small it could perch unnoticed on a flower, gathering intelligence while its presence remains hidden from the human eye. The drone's design mimics the intricate wing movements and body structure of an actual mosquito, enabling it to hover and dart with remarkable agility. Its advanced sensors and camera systems capture high-resolution images and sounds, providing crucial data in situations where traditional drones cannot venture. As nations race to enhance their surveillance capabilities, this tiny drone symbolizes a new era in espionage, where the line between nature and technology blurs, forever changing the landscape of secret operations. That is it guys, let me know in the comments below. And if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.